Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Ike Fellim for the Ike Fellim Adventure Series. No time wasting. We are cooking squash. Let's get to it. Yeah, you're welcome. Ike Fellim here for Ike Fellim Adventure. Okay, I was able to harvest some of my squash and I'm just gonna be preparing it right now. And it's my first time, so I'm quite excited and unsure, but I think I'll be all right with the preparation. So, without wasting much of your time, let's go into it. First, I want to use this scraper to scrape off the back of the squash and use the knife to cut it open, get the seeds out, cut it into cubes, and get it ready for baking in the oven. So let's just do that one step at a time. I've been able to peel off the back using my peeler. You can use whatever instrument you have that you're comfortable with, but using this right here made it very easy for me. So I've been able to get it cleaned up, removing all the back. So next step will be to cut it up, cut this place, cut it open so I can get the seeds out. Then cut it into little cubes and get ready for the oven so we can get it baked, get it seasoned, get it baked, and have a beautiful, delicious butternut squash delicacy. Okay, so let's just quickly do that and we'll be back. Okay, now so I've been able to cut it open with my knife. You can see the seeds and all. So I'm going to get a spoon and scoop out the seeds. Then I'll cut it into cubes and get it seasoned. And we'll throw it into the oven and we have our dish. All right, so now I have the seeds out. Scooped it out with my spoon. This spoon right here. So next I'm going to use this knife to chop it into cubes. I'll take it to the oven. All right, let's do that. Yep, so I've been able to cut it into chunks, cubes, and there's it. That's it right there. So what I'm going to do now is mix it with some oil, olive oil preferably, add seasoning, and throw it into the oven and let it bake. And then our butternut squash will be ready to be served. Yep. So let's get it set, let's get it seasoned, and let's bake it. Okay. Now I have this butternut squash seasoned. And here are my ingredients. Here I have everything mixed, lots of spices mixed up in one. Here I have olive oil. Here I have butter. And here I have pepper. This is pepper, ground pepper. So I got them all mixed into this bowl and I used them to season the squash. So now I'm going to spread this on top of the baking pan and put it in the oven and let it bake until it's soft and tender. Then it is ready to eat. Our squash is ready, baked in the oven for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Our squash is ready, very soft and yummy. So this is actually the most directly explained process of cooking squash. Nothing is as direct and as straightforward as this. You harvest or you buy, you peel it off, you cut it into cubes, you season it, and you bake it. And you have a lovely, wonderful, delicious, nutritious butternut squash to eat. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments. And most importantly, have a nice day. Ike Fellim here.